What's up people, it's your camera boy Jonah. Today I want to make an exciting video, namely I'm gonna give you my presets for free. But how am I going to do this? I like to explain how a preset is made, because that's the way you guys will learn how to edit yourself and make your own presets one day. So that's why I will release one video each week where I will give you one of my presets for free. So make sure to subscribe so you can enjoy the rest of the presets. Now, why did I decide to make this video? My channel is about sharing. I want to share what I learned with you guys, and one of the videos I made was a review about Peter Mckinnon's preset pack. And some of you guys DM me on Instagram asking me if I can email them the preset pack. And it's something that I cannot do as a creator myself, because I know Peter put a lot of effort into making this preset pack. It's his creativity that he put into these presets, and he shared it with you guys, and he decided to share it as something that he's selling. So it's not up to me to give them for free. But what I can do is give my presets for free, because I don't mind sharing them. And I hope you learn something from them. I hope you find some cool use of the preset pack. And make sure to subscribe so you can enjoy all the rest of them, because I will be releasing one each week. Now let's jump to my room so we can start with the first one. Alright, I'm super excited to show you guys the first preset. But first let me adjust something about this picture. So I wanna make this line straight. Something like this would be good. And then this line, I will put it on the girl's eye. It's like a good way of using the rule of thirds. As you can see, the picture is really nice and balanced. So let me think about which preset I want to show you guys first. But I think I already know. I want to go for the Moody one, and you'll see in a second why it's called like that. Bam! I fucking love this preset. It has this nice brownish copper tint. Yeah, so here we go. That's the Moody preset. I'll quickly show you the settings and explain you why it has this effect on the picture. Alright, so as you can see, the contrast is bumped quite high. The highlights are all the way down, and the shadows are also down. The whites are down, the blacks are down. So everything is kind of crushed down to the downside. I'll show you, like bam, this is already not as moody anymore. But also, to be honest, the picture was exposed for the girl, and it was kind of a bright day, so that's why it was a little bit overexposed. And that's what I want to tell you about thinking about what you do with the preset on your picture. Because let's say if you apply this preset on a picture where the highlights are already not that lit up as in my picture, you will have to adjust this and maybe put it like at -60, -50, whatever suits your picture. So never just apply the preset and then don't adjust anything. Always make sure you make it perfect and suited for your picture. So the shadows are down as well. As you can see, if I would lift them, it's also kind of a cool look, because you see more of like the girl, but I prefer it. And also this is the look of the preset. It has to be moody, so that's why they're down. Same with the whites, was also because, you know, the sky was very white, and the blacks you could like adjust it so you can have it like even more dark and moody, or you could make it more bright, depends on your choice. The clarity is up with 20. That's always something that makes the picture a bit more strong and moody, while if you would make it down, I mean, I would never choose to do it like this, but it gets more like this fairy tale kind of look. So, but not what we're going for in this preset. Vibrance is at 0 and saturation is at -20. Also something that gives like that desaturated look, thus making the picture moody. Tone curve. Quick tip, take this little box on and off, and you can see the adjustments made in this box. So being tone curve here, as you can see, not that much going on. It's not even worth explaining, to be honest. So we go to the HSL. So here were some changes. As you can see, like the blue color of this crane changed more to like greenish blue. That's because at the U I played around with the aquas and the blues. Also I desaturated all these colors, green, aqua, blue, purple, magenta, which gives this moody look to the picture. And for luminance, also not really worth talking about. So let's go to the split toning. To be honest, I'm just kind of like a perfectionist, and I sometimes do stuff that is absolutely not necessary. For example, this, like the 5 and the 3, you hardly see it in the picture. I see it because I'm really focused on details sometimes, but to be honest, might be a waste of time. So, detail, not much going on here as well. Lens corrections, same thing. Transform, effects. Alright, so at the effects we added a slight vignette and a slight amount of grain and dehazed the picture, so that's what it did. So I kind of like it like this, to be honest, as well, but the vignettes made it extra moody. That was the thing that we were going for in this picture. And now the last part, camera calibration. As you can see here, we made some more major adjustments. So now the picture has more like this kind of black and white kind of vibe, except for like the crane maybe. But now we add some orange steel to it. So as you can see here, we changed the hue of the red primary quite dramatically, as well as the blue primary. Like this is more like the teal. But if you don't adjust the red primary and you only adjust this one, the skin colors will look quite fucked up. As you can see here, they're like pinkish, which is not something that you want. So here was kind of like the before. Then we adjust like the blue primary like this, because I like it. Like I like the color of the crane and the subtle touch it gives to the sky and the shirt and everything. But now we have these pinkish colors, and that's why we will, as you can see here, it goes more to the pink side. Here it goes more to the orange side. So we'll put it something around this, which gives this nice orange copper feel to the picture. And I also desaturated all of these to make it moody again. So guys, here you go. This is the first preset. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be releasing a free preset every week. Hope you enjoyed this one, and see you in the next one.